Hi guys, here's a real quick tip for working with these Microsoft PowerPoint and doing these assignments. I have images out here for you guys to move around, what you want to do is you want to click and hold down the mouse button and move the image. I'm still holding down the mouse button on the left and moving the image with my finger, okay? Click, hold down, and move it around. If this is a trackpad, the same thing. Actually, what I'm using right now is a trackpad. So it's the left mouse or the left trackpad. Click, hold down, move it to the place on the screen. The reason sometimes we have these images is because it's hard to draw on a computer. So this makes it easier. You're just moving things around that are already drawn to answer the question. The other thing with these kind of assignments is I'll typically have answer blanks in here, like down here, it has a question and asks you to enter the text here. So you're just going to start clicking. You're just going to click in here, delete that text and just start typing. And then put your answer in there. And inside the box, it expands. You just hit enter and it gets as big as you need it to get. If for some reason you accidentally delete that, that's totally fine. All you have to do is go up here to insert, find text box, put a new text box in there, and just start typing. Okay, there's nothing magical about the green box. I just made them green so that you can see them easier. Okay. One also note is I put the instructions on the second page because when you guys make a PDF and you turn this into me, I don't need to see the instructions. I don't want that to be the first page I see. I want to see the assignment as the first page. So that's why the instructions are always going to be on the second page. But I put the title really big so you can hopefully see it even as it is a thumbnail. So make sure you go and read the instructions first, even though they're on that second page. Okay. The final thing you got to do to turn this in is to save this as a PDF file. And it's just as easy as saving it as you normally would, only you're going to click Save As. You're going to tell it where to save it by clicking up here and putting it in your OneDrive or wherever it is that you store things. I recommend having a folder for each of your classes so that things don't get messed up and lost. So then you're going to click, instead of PowerPoint presentation, you're just going to click PDF. Okay, and that changes it to a PDF. You can click Save. I already did this, so I'm going to click Yes, and that's it. I've saved it as a PDF. So when you go find that, then if I can remember where I saved it, when you go find that, it's in PDF form now. So it's easier to upload. Okay, and so all of that information is there. So what you do with that PDF file is go back to Canvas and you're going to click the big blue button that says Submit Assignment, and the PDF is what you're going to upload. All right, guys, I hope that helps you complete your assignment. See you soon.